So now, what can you see on the screen?
Dog.
What?
Dog.
A dog. Perfect. Do you love dogs, Ava? Do you have dogs or do you
No.
love dogs? Do you have a pet in your home?
No.
What pet? What kind of pet?
No, I don't have.
Oh, I guess there's a problem on the internet. Can you say it again? You have a what?
No, I don't have any pet.
Ah, you don't have any pet, but you love dogs.
Oh,
Okay. So do you have any idea what would be our topic for today?
yeah,
About what?
yeah.
About what? What would be our topic or our lesson for today? Do you think about what?
So,
About? Very good. And because of that, I will give you a trophy. Receive it. Come on, get it.
yeah.
Good job. Okay, so let's discuss about dogs. Okay, can you read it for me, Ava? Pet to touch,
The thoughts on animal
gently
gently
and kindly
and kindly
with with
with
your
your hand.
perfect. Okay, and because of that, another trophy for you. Ta-da! Okay, so pet to touch an animal gently and kindly with your hand. Okay, for example, this is a pet. Okay, so there is a verb there. Do you know what is a verb? Do you know what is a verb, Sarah? Ava?
Yes,
Okay, okay, so when we say verb, that is an action, action, action word. Okay, so when you are doing an action, meaning to say you are petting a dog or something, an animal. Okay, so when we say pet, you are touching it gently. Do you get it?